Yo, what's up? Come spend a day with me. Let's get it.
So, my car or your car?
Your car.
I'm driving or you driving?
I'm driving.
She always.
What to do? The gym.
Look at that pretty smile.
Hi, kisses.
Let's get that money. Get that money, girl. 225. Your man can't bitch 225, then that means you single.
Time to eat.
Let's go get something to eat. I'm hungry. Mine was okay, but her food was Now we're going grocery shopping. Healthy food only.
More.
Long day. I gotta go home and get to work.
Okay, behind the scenes, just got back. Got a long list of things to do. First, I have to ship these 3 orders. These 3 orders, red bottom kits has been sold. Gotta ship them. Gotta finish this portrait and frame it and ship that. Gotta finish this KC hat, make it a little sturdier and get that ready for shipment. That's sold. Have to design a Bob Marley poster and ship it. Have to design a Sonic poster for my little cousin. His birthday is in a couple of days, and get that ready. So we have a lot to do. Let's get to work. First, I'm gonna get these 3 ready for shipping. Next, I'm finished this KC hat. So first I wanna make it more sturdier, so I'm gonna put some cardboard in there, cardboard at the bottom. I'm gonna put a brim on top of here, and I'm gonna make sure the hat's sealed as safely as possible. Real quick, for a chance to win one of these hats or get one of these hats for free, all you have to do is go over to my YouTube channel and click the subscribe button, or go to my Instagram channel and click the follow button and get one of these custom-made hats for free. That easy. Next, I'm going to design a poster for my cousin, his birthday coming up. So he likes Sonic, so I'm going to do a nice poster for him and surprise him for his birthday. Next, I'm going to do a Bob Marley poster and design that for a client. He loved Bob Marley, so I designed this for him. And these some of the finished products. Sneak peek behind the scenes, how you like it?